Yeah, I love this car.
You like this car?
Yeah.
I like the seats.
It's not comfy because, like, if you're skinny, it's comfy.
I hate this. I hate the seats.
Why?
I can't sit in here.
This is Spanish. But I don't like the new emblem.
Why?
Because it has the thing red and thing blue. It looks like.
That's only for the 50th anniversary.
No, that's the new emblem of the BMW.
No way.
For the 50th anniversary.
No, every BMW is the new emblem. Every 2023 BMW is the new emblem.
Yeah, because this is their 50th year anniversary.
Yeah. Is it? Like every emblem is gonna, they change the emblem, but if it is.
Alright guys, here we have a Rolls Royce Phantom Drophead. As you can see, rare cars as it is. And this is even rarer because as you see this logo, this is the water speed edition. There's only 35 in the world. Special paint job, special stainless hood and pillars right here. The wheels have the cool paint job on them. It's also got a very special interior with this like aqua color. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a two-tone. And then on top of it, you have a bunch of stainless steel inside the car. And then you got Moses, special edition Moses. Right there, there's only 36 of Moses made worldwide. Jesus. So yeah, that's the water speed edition right there. We have a little bit of work to do on it. And yeah, you won't see this anywhere else. There's only 35. Probably 2 or 3 are crashed, so yeah.
My car is broken. Too many miles, 200,000 miles. Rebuild. I need to rebuild the engine. I don't know, it's a Lexus 300 RX.
I wish your battery dies.
The what?
Your battery dies.
Battery dies.
Very
My
nice.
battery dies.
I wish.
Why?
I wish your camera breaks.
Why? What did I do?
I'm so happy when you speak. I feel happy.
Because you can't speak.
Yeah, it's not only me. I cannot speak English very well. At least I don't go to college. I don't go to fucking school. The street was my school. I learned a lot over here.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when are you gonna put the? When can we primer it?
No. Do me a favor. When you right here, between us, speak Spanish
Okay,
or
fine.
English.
I understand.
No Armenian, because
Okay.
I don't understand what you say.
Okay, fine. When
I don't
can
know
we-
if you say they say something else and they look at us and I don't like the
Circus loves to do that.
They talk more Spanish when I'm here than I speak Armenian.
It's like you talk behind
Yeah, they're talking behind
somebody else.
Okay,
Yeah.
so how many times did I approach you? You think and you guys speak Spanish? How many times?
Hey,
the guy who doesn't
me,
speak
hey,
What he says? Can you
Hey.
trust? Can you
Sarkis,
translate
come.
what he says?
Sarkis, come. My area is working more hard than you and Luis.
Right now, I believe that. I believe that.
My area.
Yeah, I believe
Not
that.
You
area.
guys, blockade,
Yeah,
Sandy.
I believe that. I believe.
Nothing got accomplished.
I just nothing to say.
¿Qué pasó, Luis? ¿Por qué quedó serio?
No, I just listening to you guys. He eat a lot.
Yo sé que no está gordito.
Yeah,
Eso que
chido.
no está gordo. Bite the shit.
Va a ir comiendo ahí.
¿Quién dijo miedo?
He likes to eat a lot.
What did you just try to smoke?
Oh shit. Este.
Ahora ese.
What was that, a 10 millimeter or something?
Over here we have a beautiful 360 Spider. Traditional yellow color, one of the best yellow colors also ever made. And unfortunately this car is throwing the F1 transmission light. It's very infamous, this car, to have that because the pumps go bad. There's a lot of pumps on this car. It's a full hydraulic system. This is a hydraulic pump right here that is also tied into the system. That's leaking. F1 transmission pump also seems to be having problems. This car, aftermarket, they made a lot of upgrade relays, that kind of stuff, to have a better F1 transmission maintenance. So we're gonna be changing a lot of stuff for it, and it is still a gorgeous car, honestly. It makes you really enjoy Ferrari's design. Like, look at these lights right here. Old school, looks incredible. The 360 Modena really, you know, my generation really saw this car come out and was very happy about it. So now, not so reliable, sadly, but they are still really, really pretty. The rear bumper's off, as you can see. They don't make rear bumpers like this anymore. The diffuser is built into it, as you can see. Really, really nice quality, not fiberglass, made very, very strong. So we enjoy working on these kind of cars. We don't only fix them, wrap them, customize them, we also mechanically repair them. Tough jobs too, that dealers would charge an arm and a leg. We do it. We also have a Rolls Royce Ghost up there on the lift that was in a heavy collision. The air suspension is broken. We're changing all of that as well. We have 3 SVJs here. One is a body shop collision car. Another one is a full wrap clear bra actually, because it is a matte white color. And the other one is a green one that we did an oil change on. So that car is actually currently for sale. One of the dopest SVJs out there.
Your hair looks good.
Friday, gonna chop it up.
Why?
Huh? I told you we're gonna cut it.
Oh, because Moses keeps pulling it?
Yeah, I always.
Moses gonna shave too?
When he shave, he looks different. He looks younger. You know how old is he? Not even 40.
No, he is already. I think it's like 41, 42.
40, no, maybe 40. I'm 54 already. Sometimes with his beard and all that shit, he
You
looks.
look better than him? You say?
No, he looks older. He's smarter.
Hey, why don't you dye it black?
Why? That's why it looks old.
Hey, can I get plastic dip and...
That's right.
Alright. Damn. No, you can't even see it. Alright, we're done. Oh. Alright.
No. We are currently looking for a leak. There's a leak somewhere with this thing and a few variables here. It is a 3-piece wheel, so it could leak from the seal, it could leak from the valve stem, it could leak because of a nail, and it could leak if the wheel's bent or cracked. We didn't find any issues with the wheel or the valve stem, so we're looking at the tire, which Fondos here is spraying a lot of very soapy water on it to find some bubbles, because nails could be very pesky. It could have gone in and came back out, or it could be a tiny little thing you can't see. So trying to find the problem with this one. All right, guys, you see I have new merch on. This is the quarter zip sweater. So it has the zipper, you go all the way up. It has a nice collar right there for cold weather, but no hoodie. It is like the hoodie material, so it's super soft. It has the logo in the front, the big logo in the back, and it's online now. We also have a cream zip-up hoodie, which I'll show you in a moment because it's over there somewhere. I'm hiding it from Clear My Valve because he steals everything. All right, here's the cream full zip-up hoodie. As you can see, this one has, of course, the hoodie, and it's got the RDB on the back. This is online now as well. Same material. It's literally like the softest material ever. So yeah, online shopping right now. This guy. We don't have too many. It's limited, just like last time. Last time we put these up, even our own car wash guy couldn't buy it, and he's sad tripping still. So
You guys are animals. Hey, can I have that one?
What are you doing?
What?
What were you doing right there?
Protecting the seatbelt. It won't get dirty.
Oh, you added that?
Yeah. But I stopped right here because this is where they like pull it so they can go to their waist.
Good job.
So take care of every inch of your car here.
Luis, este es para usted.
¿Esto para mí?
Sí. Tarde, pero seguro. Para el 14 de febrero.
¿Sabes qué fecha estamos ahorita?
Yo le digo, tarde, pero seguro.
Todo lo
Está.
voy a ensuciarme. Ya va a valer gorro.
Ahí está, ese es para usted. Ese para acá y ese para cuando se vaya a dormir. La chingadera esa.
You know what I say?
No.
No. This is for February 15.
Valentine's Day.
San Valentine's Day.
Yeah, but this one is for him for here. This one when going to sleeping,
Oh, I see.
yeah, with the holder.
Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. Alright? So, see you on the next one. Haha!